Hi everyone, today we're doing a CT design kit on a facelift Hyundai i30N. We're going to show you how to get that kit fitted, which is very similar to our pre-facelift one, except this has a replacement diffuser, which is where we're going to start. So we're removing this part here, and it's all held on by clips, so I'll start removing them now. There's some that you have to get to right back here, which will go into the new one as well. So let's get them out. So this is what the diffuser looks like for the facelift one. It's different to the pre-facelift because the pre-facelift, as we showed in the other video, it sticks on, but this one uses the original clips, and then we will clip it all in here. So now we'll get the new one on. When you are fitting this, you need to make sure that you start with the ends, with the side bits first. So you get them in, and then you work your way in, and that's it. There you go, Archie, come closer. That's how it clips into the original. Now, what I'm going to do is, the clips that I took out at the back, I'm going to put plastic rivets instead, because the original clips, they're not very solid, so the plastic rivets just will hold it a lot tighter. So I'll replace those with plastic rivets, and then with the other clips, I'll just reuse the originals. So Miles has the splitter prepared, he's already put the tape on it, so we're going to put it into place, and just like with the pre-facelift, we're going to rivet it into place. Miles is just cleaning up the surface with a quick detailer. I've got the spoiler ready. As soon as this is all clean, we'll get the spoiler on there. So when you're lining up this spoiler, you need to make sure that it's just in front of the edge. And then if you look over here, Archie, come closer, you'll see the way that it sits is about ½ centimeter in front of the corner of that. And then you'll see that it's a nice tight gap the whole way along that way. So everything but the side skirts is now done on the facelift Hyundai i30N. We've got the tape ready on these, so we'll put them into place and then rivet them up. So that's the i30N facelift kit now wrapped up. We've parked it up next to a pre-facelift just to show you the differences in the kit. So the front bumper is different on them, but the design of the two splitters is virtually the same, as you can see here. And then actually follow me around the side. So the side skirts are identical on both cars, so they're the same side skirts. So is the spoiler, as you can see here. The main difference is the diffuser. So because the original one here can be replaced, that's what we've done, whereas the pre-facelift is an add-on. It's all really easy to do. You can have this kit fitted in about an hour and a half. We provide all the fixings that you need for you to be able to do at home, so self-tapping screws and things like that. But then what we use and what we like to use are rivets. So if you like, we can provide them, but if you come here for fitting, that's what we'll be using. So if you have any questions, or if you like these cars, leave a comment and we'll leave a link to these products and all of our Hyundai i30N products in the description below.